How to clean your bike. Here's what you'll need. Step 1. Rinse your bike. Get the whole bike wet, but be careful not to spray high-pressure water into any of the bearings in the wheels, bottom bracket, or headset. Lightly rinse the drivetrain. Step 2. Prepare your wash bucket. Put a bit of dish soap into a bucket and then fill it with water. Step 3. Wash your bike. Dip your cloth into the soapy water and use it to wipe down your bike. Start with the less dirty parts like the frame, and then move on to the wheels. Dip the cloth into the soapy water again frequently and rinse the cloth off if it gets too dirty. Don't use the cloth on disc brakes and don't clean the drivetrain yet. Step 4. Rinse. Quickly rinse the bike just so that the soap won't dry while you clean the drivetrain. Step 5. Scrub. Dip your brush into the soapy water and use it to clean any hard-to-reach areas like under the down tube, around the derailleurs, and so on. Then you can use the same brush to clean your drivetrain. Use it to scrub the gears and chain. Step 6. Rinse. Rinse the drivetrain and then rinse the whole bike again in case any dirt or soap was left there. Be sure to lightly rinse the brakes as well. Step 7. Dry. Let the bike dry before moving on to the next step. If the sun is out, move the bike to a sunny spot and it will dry quickly. Otherwise, let it sit overnight. Step 8. Chain lube. Hold the bottle over the chain and squeeze it very lightly so a slow drip of oil comes out. Spin the pedals while you do this until the whole chain has a light coating of oil on it. Then spin the pedals a few times to distribute the oil. The oil only needs to be on the top or bottom of the chain, not the sides. Step 9. Clean the chain. With a clean microfiber cloth or rag, clean any remaining dirt and excess lube from the chain. Hold the cloth around the chain while you spin the pedals. You can do this first quickly and then again where you hold the pedals in place and scrub back and forth on one section of the chain at a time. Move the pedals a bit and repeat until you've worked your way through the whole length of the chain. Step 10. Clean the chainrings and pulley wheels. Wipe off any excess oil from the chainrings, then clean the pulley wheels. Press the cloth firmly against the pulley while spinning the pedals, but be careful not to catch the cloth in the drivetrain or pinch your fingers. That's it. So now all you have to do is go and ride your bike.